Hi you guys, welcome to another video. So I decided to make a tutorial video on how to do a smoky eye that you can wear for an event or just a regular smuggler day. Hey, shout out to Cardi B. So we are going to start off with applying concealer as a primer for your eyeshadow. When applying this, you want to put it all over your lid up to your brow bone. By doing this, first, you will give the eyeshadow something to stick to. Okay, now lightly use a face powder to set the concealer in place. This will help the shadow to not crease up throughout the day because we do not want any movement at all. No crease lines, none of that. After applying that, we are going to add this tan color to our brow bone area. This color may look like it's not doing anything, but trust me, it is. Once you add the other colors, it will pop up and show, and it's going to look like it's your skin complexion. Next, we're going to use this tan orange color, and we're going to apply this with a blending brush onto our crease line. And try to bring the color up to your brow bone without covering the color that we just applied. Also, this will be your transition color, okay? So this will help make everything come together. Okay, going back to the palette again, we're going to use this light brown color, and using a smudge brush, we're going to apply it into our crease line. Now we're going to go in with a blending brush and blend. We do not want any harsh edges, so please try your best to blend these colors. Okay, now we're going to apply the black color on top of our lid. So just make sure you take your time when doing this, and you want to pat the colors in. Please do not swipe because we want the color to be as pigmented as possible. Okay, now bringing back our handy blending brush, we're going to blend the black and brown color together. And if you feel like you didn't have enough black, just lightly tap into the black color and lightly apply it going up to the brown color. We don't want to go over that brown color because then it wouldn't make sense to put that color there, okay? Okay, so now we're going to go back to this tan orangey color and this brown color and apply it to that part where I applied it earlier, because I felt like I took away the color when I was applying that orange. That's why I said to just be careful. Now we're going to go right back into that brown color and we're going to apply it right under our eye. Now taking that black color, we're going to apply it right under our eye towards the outer, and we're going to bring it in towards the middle of our eye. Taking that same color, we're going to apply it to our Cupid's bow. So we can stop right here and just clean up the sides of our eyeshadow, but I want to be a little more extra, so I'm going to apply this shimmery purple eyeshadow and also apply this to my Cupid's bow and dragging it a little over my lid. Lastly, I'm going to put the rest of my makeup on and my lashes, and I will be back to show you everything together. Okay, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed yourself enough to subscribe to my channel and leave a like and a comment to this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.